Irish and English areas experienced Superstorm Betty explosion. Strong gusts in Dublin uproot trees and automobiles. Storm Super. Both Irish and English regions have been affected by Betty, and she has left a trail of disturbances in her wake. Dublin was hit hard by the storm, with strong gusts toppling trees and even moving cars. Flooding caused mayhem in a number of locations in Cork when Storm Betty touched down and moved north. The M7 highway in County Limerick is particularly dangerous between junctions 21 and 26, according to warnings from the Gardai late on Friday night. Drivers battled to keep control on the wet road, which resulted to a string of single-vehicle crashes. The difficulty went beyond the highway. There were reports of significant surface water in the southern districts, which led the authorities to advise cautious driving. The worst of the storm's intensity was felt in several areas of Cork. Flooding was widespread and severely damaged important areas like the Northside Bolivar neighborhood and the low-lying quays in the city center. Flooding was experienced on the N27 South City link close to the Turner's Cross exit, while Rochestown Road on the south side of the city experienced problems due to heavy rain. Flooding events, including those at the Riverview Estate in Glasheen and Greenhills Court, were reported by the Cork City Fire Brigade, highlighting the gravity of the situation. Trees that fell during the storm compounded the difficulties by obstructing travel and posing new difficulties. The way from Hurla to Farran was blocked by fallen trees, as was the way to Glanmire. About 900 households in Cottaclas, Company, Cork, lost power, highlighting the storm's widespread effects. Even public transit was affected because Iron Rod Éireann stopped running between Middleton and Cork/Cove because of flooded rail lines, which led to delays. Emergency services and organizations in the area prepared for Superstorm Betty's anticipated interruption and destruction. The reaction to the dynamic storm system was coordinated by the National Directorate for Fire and Emergency Management. Uncertainty existed over Storm Betty's possible track and strength due to its trajectory, which the jet stream amplified. The UK Coast Guard was actively managing a number of events connected to the storm's effects at the same time. These included a boat that was sinking after running aground and a sailing boat that needed assistance off Lundy Island. Both locals and officials continued to be on the lookout for further difficulties and interruptions as Superstorm Betty continued on its path. The storm's effects were expected to last for some time, with concerns of flooding, strong winds, and a lot of rain. The Coast Guard strongly cautioned against water-based or coastal activities owing to dangerous sea conditions, making coastal districts particularly susceptible. The storm's course made it evident that the impacted area's capacity for resiliency would be put to the test for some time to come.